The big drivers for enterprise at this ITW have been a few things. One would be the continued increase in interest in direct connect, so direct private connectivity, MPLS or Ethernet, into the public cloud providers like Google, Azure, Oracle, so on. Another thing would be the growth of the cloud exchange business. So we have an aggregation platform that allows one port to connect to many clouds, and a lot of enterprises tend to consume 10, 15, 20 different services, and so a lot of our NSP partners are working with us to access that cloud density in our facilities. And then the final thing would be the movement of enterprises to actually come into data center environments to take advantage of the fact that they can do direct connect between their infrastructure that they may manage themselves or an MSP may manage on their behalf and directly connect to the gateway into one of the hyperscalers. All of which provides opportunity for the network community as customers re-architect their networks. The multi-cloud phenomenon, we've done studies ourselves. We have a thing we call Equinix on Equinix. We consume 45 different cloud apps as an enterprise unto ourselves. And what we've seen from a lot of the customers who are coming to us is that's pretty much the reality. There is no such thing as I'm going to settle for one cloud provider for all of my needs. Most SaaS applications, for example, span many, many different subjects, CRM, ERP, and that's just the way the future is going to pan out for most enterprises. Multi-location is the other sort of the flip side of multi-cloud. Enterprises have certain performance expectations of the apps that they consume, which is usually a latency circle around wherever the facility is hosted. So it's very common for our CSP customers to basically be located in multiple metros in multiple countries around the world to give their end customer the best experience. One of the things, personal project that I work on is a lot of the subsea cable systems. So a lot of them are actually starting to look at scenarios where they will terminate the cable into a data center rather than into solely a hut on the beach. And that's been a pretty interesting thing for us. We've announced probably 6 or so deals publicly in the last couple of quarters, and we're tracking against another, say, 25 projects globally where people are interested in coming into our facilities.